Hi everyone, I'm Joanne. Welcome to my channel. Today I have the Spring 2024 Archer and Olive subscription box. I'll try to get it open here. It says, a quiet walk outside, feel the ground beneath your feet, and observe the plant life all around you. Imagine all they have felt, seen, and heard. If only they could tell you their stories. No matter the season, there is life to breathe in and messages along the path. It's up to you to realize and record these notes from nature. That's pretty sweet. All right, let's break into it. I have to tell you, I lost track of this. Didn't think I was reordering it, but here it is. Sorry, I just hit the camera. Wow. Let me just get this in the, look at this. Packed full. All right, let me just pull from the top. Acrylographs. I think they're in nature colors. Yeah, it's called Notes from Nature. Where's my little... Come on. So what I did was I wrote down all my boxes and I'm putting renewal dates, and then I can decide if I want them or don't want them, because some of them I keep getting that I really don't care for anymore. So something Lily, Antique Ivory, Shady Lane, English Clover, and Deep Ivy. So they're the colors. Pretty. I have to say I'm not mad at this, but I wasn't expecting it. So, oh, a fountain pen. Huh, funny, I ordered ink yesterday. Orange ink. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. It's nice and heavy. I like it. They have such quality items. And then fountain pen ink. All right, I guess I didn't need to order yesterday. Well, there's no orange in here. So this is pretty cool too. Look at that blue. Stunning. And look, these are the colors. I wonder if they say what they are they? I don't see it. It's probably in the information on the box, but pretty. Really, really neat. Those jars are fabulous. All right, and then we have, it's like Christmas. Ooh, look at this washi. Wow. That is gorgeous. This is some seriously, look, you get a lot too. Seriously thick washi. That is so pretty. Wow. Yeah, I can use this for sure. Really pretty. I can use this one on my Edith Holden journals. It's like I said it before, but it's all just packaged so nicely. All right, and then we have scalloped edge ruler. Exactly what they say it is. A scalloped edge ruler. That's pretty cool. I can use that in my craft room for sure. So this is something, even though I didn't need it, I'm certainly not mad about it. It's so nice. This is probably the card. Notes from Nature. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. Here Where's everything? What wasn't I sure the color? Oh, the ink. Well, I'm not reading all that right now. And then we have stickers. Stickers and words. Pretty flowers. And here's the other one. Similar, but are they the same? They are the same. They're the same. So two of the same florals. I'm not sure they're supposed to be, but I got the same ones. All right. Let me adjust my legs here. And then we have our journals. (160 pages in this one. Dot grid notebook. Like I just keep saying, but the packaging is just so beautiful. Ooh. Very nice. Pretty gold foiling and dot grid. I don't know if you can see it. Very nice. A little charm, Archer and Olive charm. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, let me open this one. 112. It says sketchbook. This literally just came. I guess it came FedEx. I was out. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm smelling it. It smells very chemically. I wasn't expecting that smell, but it smells like chemicals. But wow, look at this. Faux leather, gold embossing, and then a sketchbook. This is really nice. I think it's coming up lighter on camera than it actually is. Oh, it's pretty. Really pretty. Need to get that smell out though. That is strong. Really pretty. Love it. Absolutely love that. And then it talks about it. Really nice. And one more. Such a beautiful subscription. It really is. A nice mistake. It's a little pricey. And I think that's why I'm like, oh no, my account got charged. Ooh. Ooh. What does it say? 192 dot grid. This is nice. Look at it on the side. It feels so soft. It's so soft. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh, and it has like deckled edges. I like that. That is really, really nice. Well, what a nice surprise today. I love it. I feel like that went in wrong. Really, really love it. I need to start using the journals. I really do. I don't journal, like write. I like to do, you know, junk journals. I like to create journals. I like to put embellishments in them. I like to make them pretty and artistic and all, but I don't record my life in them. When I was a kid, I used to keep journals. I don't know why I don't. And I even made myself one for February and I just didn't keep up with it. This is fabulous. Let me know what you think. Do you guys journal? I should start. I just try and I don't, but I love the box. Absolutely fantastic. It has never disappointed. This is the third one I've received. So I must have gotten fall, winter, spring. I guess I have to get summer. All right, everyone, have a great day. Let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video.